separate session of the Hamilton County Municipal Court is now in session. Judge Tyrone Yates is presiding this morning. We ask that you turn off all cell phones. You may be seated. Please remain quiet during all proceedings.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning.
It's not about to be a good morning for this guy about to walk through the door. Notice all this officers standing around this little ass room? This is a message being sent to not only the man about to be escorted in, but a message for the general public as well. Meet the defendant, Mr. Rodney Hinton Jr., a local Ohio man that suffered an unimaginable loss, only to exact his version of revenge for said loss.
I knew the man, and I knew what a tremendous, tremendous person he is, and what a tremendous loss we have all suffered.
Sheriff Charmaine McGuffey telling us in a statement tonight that Deputy Henderson had an incredible 33-year career with the Hamilton County Sheriff's Office. Over the decades, working in many specialized units, serving as an academy instructor, a dive team member, with the SWAT team, the FBI task force, and the bomb unit. He had just retired a few months ago and was serving as a special deputy. On Friday, he was directing traffic for UC's graduation along Martin Luther King Drive and Burnett Woods near campus when the unthinkable happened. Cincinnati police say 38-year-old Rodney Hinton Jr. hit Deputy Henderson with his car, killing him. It was later revealed that Hinton is the father of the 18-year-old shot by police Thursday.
There is a connection between these two incidents.
Outrage and heartbreak quickly followed Deputy Henderson's tragic passing.
That is the worst possible outcome, to lose a public servant in the line of duty, particularly a public safety employee who every single day is putting their life on the line.
Anytime an officer dies, whether it's from your agency or not, it affects everybody.
Those who knew Deputy Henderson say he helped shape so many lives throughout his career.
Good morning, Mr. Hinton. Good morning.
He said good morning, Judge. He's very soft-spoken.
Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. Anything as to probable cause?
Your Honor, we'll waive probable cause this morning. I have submitted designations for John Kennedy and Timothy Bignell. They will be the attorneys of record handling Mr. Hinton's case. I'll be handling the arraignment this morning.
All right. Thank you. Mr. Prosecutor, or anything as to bond?
As to bond, Your Honor, thank you. Your Honor, we understand this is a very, very serious, very terrible charge that Mr. Hinton is facing. He has a risk, but he does not have a history, Judge. He has no felonies in his record. His risk assessment score was a 1. He had no juvenile record. He works at UDF. He's married. He's a father. He's a graduate of Purcell Marion. I understand that this is an emotionally charged situation. I understand that Mr. Hinton's son may have been killed by the police earlier in the week. There was a review of that video. I understand that there is a lot of sadness and a lot of anger in this room.
You can say that again. Those cops are just waiting for him to sneeze wrong, and it's going to be a gang-style ass whooping.
In light of everything, to allow the constitutional process to play out.
All right. Thank you.
Just look at the blue wall of justice standing behind him. Holy shit, that's an entire department itching to get their chance to smash this dude out.
Chance to review that and his past history. Is there anything from the state through the prosecutor?
Yes, Your Honor. Ryan Nelson on behalf of the
Could you
prosecution.
give us more volume, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Ryan Nelson on behalf of the prosecution. What we believe that the evidence will show is that yesterday, on or about the 2nd of May, the defendant was traveling, I believe it would be eastbound on Martin Luther King Avenue at MLK, I believe at Burnett Woods, at the intersection, I believe immediately north to the rear entrance of the University of Cincinnati. The defendant stops his car. The defendant, in a way that was calculated and premeditated, lined up his car, deliberately accelerated his car, and purposely caused the death of an on-duty deputy sheriff who was doing a detail at that intersection. As such, we are going to be seeking indictment for aggravated murder, and we would request, in accordance with ORC 2937-222, for a no bond hearing. That rule requires that hearing be set within 3 business days, so we are seeking to set that date on the 6th of May of 2025, that would be next Tuesday.
So if I'm understanding this situation correctly, my man's son got deleted by the police, so in turn, the father decided to exact justice of his own right by deleting one of their own. He lined up his ride and did GTA-style elimination, taking this officer out as retribution for his son. Those officers standing around the room were friends and colleagues of the fallen officer, showing the public and the defendant more so that this type of action won't be tolerated by their office, and showing that they stand united as one nation of cops, supporting cops. But there's an element that wasn't really explained. According to some outlets, what really led to this was that they allowed this man to view the body camera footage from his son's incident, and upon seeing it, sent him into a state that he wanted revenge.